How to recover a permanently banned TikTok account. If your TikTok account was suddenly permanently banned and you're feeling confused or frustrated, you're not alone. Many creators lose access to their accounts without fully understanding why. In this video, I'll explain what you can realistically do to try to recover a permanently banned TikTok account, and just as importantly, when recovery is not possible, so you don't waste time on fake promises. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about TikTok permanent bans, what they actually mean, and the official safe steps you can take to appeal or contact TikTok support. This tutorial follows TikTok's rules and YouTube's guidelines, so everything shared here is legitimate and secure. First, understand what a permanent ban means. TikTok permanently bans accounts that repeatedly violate community guidelines, such as serious policy violations, dangerous content, spam behavior, or copyright abuse. In some cases, bans happen by mistake, and that's where appeals matter. Step 1 is to open the TikTok app and try to log into your banned account. If TikTok allows appeals, you'll usually see a message saying your account has been permanently banned with an option like Appeal or Learn More. Tap on Appeal, carefully read the reason shown, and submit your explanation honestly and respectfully. Avoid emotional language and focus on facts. Step 2 is to use TikTok's official feedback form. Open a browser and go to TikTok's support or feedback page. Select the issue related to account bans or suspensions, then fill in your username, email address, and a clear explanation. Mention that you believe the ban was a mistake and request a manual review. Make sure your email is active, because this is how TikTok will respond. Step 3 is to check your email regularly, including spam and promotions folders. TikTok may take several days or even weeks to reply. If they ask for additional information, respond promptly and politely. Now, an important reality check. If TikTok confirms that the ban was due to severe or repeated violations, recovery is usually not possible. No app, website, or person can bypass TikTok's system legally. Anyone promising guaranteed recovery is likely misleading you. Here's a pro tip. When submitting an appeal, keep your message short, professional, and respectful. Accounts that show understanding of the rules and willingness to comply have a better chance of being reviewed fairly. To sum up, you learned what a permanent TikTok ban means, how to submit an in-app appeal, how to contact TikTok through official channels, and how to avoid scams claiming instant recovery. If this video helped you understand the process, like the video and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials. And comment below, was your TikTok ban reviewed successfully, or are you still waiting for a response?